Hey guys, welcome to another episode of my channel. Today we are going to talk about MQTT communication, and subject for this episode is going to be how to install MQTT broker, which is basically server for MQTT protocol, how to do some basic configuration, and how to exchange messages using an Android phone and your PC. And on side of PC we are going to deal with command line interface and with application that is called MQTT Explorer. So first, if you are on Windows, go to your favorite browser and navigate to mosquitto.org download. There you are going to find installer for your operating system. Download it and install this application. If you are on Mac, open your terminal and type brew install Mosquitto. If you are on Linux and you are using Snap, type snap install Mosquitto. There you could find also instructions for Debian, Raspberry Pi and Ubuntu. But in my case there is a little bit more work to do. Let me show you. I'm on Manjaro Linux and I've installed Mosquitto using AUR repository. So if you are on Manjaro, type yay s Mosquitto. And I already have this application installed, so I'm not going to run through this process again. And there is one more application that you should check out. This one, MQTT Explorer. This one we are going to use as client. So I'm going to clear my display. And first thing that you are going to do after you install Mosquitto, you are going to run command system status Mosquitto. And if your service is not enabled and active, you are going to run commands enable Mosquitto service and start Mosquitto service. Now, next important part that you should check out. I'm going to clear this and I'm going to navigate to etc Mosquitto. I'm going to list and you are going to check for this file mosquitto.conf. So I'm going to use sudo nano mosquitto.conf and keep in mind that this is huge file. There are so many different settings and so many different ways to deal with your Mosquitto broker, and we are going to deal with this file a lot in upcoming episodes. But for now, what you have to do, you have to add these two lines. Now keep in mind that a line that starts with pound sign, it's actually commented line. So this line, for example, doesn't have any effect in configuration. And in order to use my Mosquitto broker, I added these two lines. Actually, I have uncommented this one. Allow anonymous set to true. In this way, when we connect to our MQTT broker, we don't have to provide any password. And in order to access my PC from other devices from my local network, I had to add this line. So bind address its command and I set it to 192.168.0.24. And this IP address is address of my PC on my local network. Let me show you. If I type ifconfig, you can see that my address is 192.168.0.24. And if you don't provide this command, you are still going to be able to use your Mosquitto broker, but only as localhost and only from local machine. And if this part is clear, all right, and I have already created my local MQTT connection without validate certificate and encryption option. We are going to deal with these options in upcoming episodes. Well, we are using MQTT protocol and we are connecting to my local IP address. And 1883, it's actually default port. And in this case, we are using anonymous connection, so we are not going to provide username and password. And now I'm just going to click on connect. So now what we are going to do, we are going to create topic. And you are going to split topic using /. For example, main and subtopic, or call it sub1. And you can send message in JSON form, in XML form, or in RAW form. I'm going to choose RAW text. And I'm going to send a message like something simple like this. And I'm going to click on published. You see now we have main topic, we have subtopic, meaning sub1, and we have our messaging here. Also, we have in history our message. And next thing that I'm going to show you is how to send message to your Mosquitto broker from command line. So for that we are going to use Mosquitto pub application. Command T we are going to use for topic, and our topic it's main /sub1 sub1. We are going to use H for our local host, but in here I have to provide address 192.168.0.24, and we are going to use M command for actual message. Okay, something like this. All right. Now we have another message. This message is from command line. Okay, so we have our second message. And final part for this episode is going to be how to connect to your Mosquitto broker from Android phone. And for that I'm going to use application My MQTT, but you could actually use any application that you like. So as you see, my address it's 192.168.0.24, default port 1883, MQTT version 3, and I'm going to click on connect. Alright, now we have to subscribe, and we have to provide the name of our topic. So topic it's main /sub1. And subscribe. And now go to publish, and in publish first we are going to provide the topic name. So it's main /sub1, and our message is going to be alright, and I'm going to click on publish. Message sent. Let's check our dashboard, and we have our message on dashboard. On side of our MQTT Explorer we have our message. I'm Android phone, the last message. So guys, that's all for this episode. I hope that you have learned something interesting, so please like, subscribe, and see ya!